Now this may not seem like a lot to everybody, but this is predominantly what I take to my office every single day, including but not limited to varying kinds of tumblers. I was carrying a large Michael Kors purse. I'll show you that one. I was carrying a purse like this every day. I was carrying a backpack like this every day. I was carrying a cup by itself. And I live in Michigan and I'm a working mom and I'm busy all of the freaking time. I locked myself out of my house 6 separate times.
I'm sure I understand.
Oops, shut up, Siri. I locked myself out of my house a lot because these let me into my car and let me into my house. But I have anxiety issues and I have to have my keys with me. Like I can't do a digital lock. We've tried it, all kinds of stuff. So I have to have physical keys for my house. So routinely what I would do is when I would go to work, I would take these out of my purse and put them in my backpack. And then I would go pick up my children from daycare after coming home because, you know, COVID and everything looks different and feels different. So I haven't been able to like get a good routine for this. So I would be home in the afternoon a lot of times after having gone to work earlier in the day. And I would grab my purse, forgetting that I had taken my keys out of my purse and put them in my backpack. And I have locked myself out multiple times. So my husband and I went on a grand adventure to find a bag that would work. I have probably spent about 4 to 6 hours researching different kinds of bags. And the thing is I want an all-in-one. I want to take my laptop, my iPad. I want to take everything with me. Enter White Elm. I found them on Instagram, believe it or not. And I ordered right before Christmas and I was so excited. I've actually packed and repacked this bag a few times. So I got their set. I got their little purse, which I need to put all of my straps on because I haven't put straps on yet. I can't decide what kind of a purse, like how I want to do my regular day-to-day purse. For the most part, and this is what's been working over Christmas break, is I just carry it like this. And I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's amazing. So let's go ahead and pack it up. Probably my favorite feature is the fact that the laptop fits in right there. My iPad goes in right next to it. I snap it shut. Oops, sorry, it has to go the other way. It's really cold in my basement. My fingers are cold. This goes right inside their elastic band pocket. Then I'm never worried about it. I accidentally forgot my mouse at work. So I haven't figured out a home for my mouse that goes with me, but I'm sure we can make it work. Other important things, I'm an insulin dependent diabetic, so these have to come with me at all times. So this one just goes right here, and this one goes in a pocket. I already have my wallet. This is my big wallet. It contains like all of my, what's the word I'm looking for? It contains like all of my, not things that I use on a daily basis. I can't think of like how to explain to you guys, but it's basically like, this is the wallet that I actually use. My service dog's service card, which technically isn't needed by law, but you know. And then car keys. We're gonna put this in and pretend you didn't see it. Keys to the office. Who doesn't ever need AirPods? Mask, because you know, 2020. Always, always, always carrying extra hair ties because I have no other option. And of course, lipstick because, you know, life. Which brings me to these last couple items. Now, for the most part, I use my digital planner, which is awesome. But occasionally, well, when I'm in the office itself, I take a work planner. This is my 2020 weekly planner. This is what I keep strictly my work stuff. And then that goes right here. And then my regular purse goes right here. It still zips up nicely. And the most important part, I can put my tumbler right here. And we're ready to go. It is literally my favorite thing ever. So if you haven't tried White Elm, I highly recommend you do. It's amazing. It has the little trivets on the bottom. Vegan leather. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so nice. So there you guys go.